Hello everybody, my name is Manjot and in this video I'm going to show you my CS50's W Project 1 which is based on Django. It is basically an online encyclopedia inspired from Wikipedia which contains a number of encyclopedia entries. In this video I'm going to discuss 7 specifications of this project. So let's discuss the first specification. Now this is the front page of the web app. Now if I click here on an entry which already exists like CSS, I'm redirected to that entry, that page. Now if I click on the HTML entry, I'm redirected to that entry. Now if I type here an entry which does not exist like CS50W, I'm presented with an error that the requested page for CS50W was not found. Please try something else. So this way first specification is satisfied. Now let me discuss the second specification, which is the index page. Now if I click here on any entry, I should be redirected to that page, right? For example, if I click on about me page, I'm redirected to that page. So this way our second specification is also satisfied. Now let me discuss the third specification, which is search. If I type here like Python, see, I'm directed to that entry. Now if I type a substring here like say ml, which is basically a substring in HTML, I should be shown entry with the full string HTML. If I visit here, I'm seeing the HTML page, right? So in this way our third specification is also satisfied. Now let me discuss the fourth specification, like create new page. If I type here like CS50W and type here it's a perfect web course, this entry will be saved. See, now I can see this entry here and I can visit this entry. So this way our fourth specification is also satisfied. Now let me discuss the edit page specification. If I click here on any page like about me, and if I want to edit this page, like if I want to type here like this is my CV, I'm writing this in Markdown syntax and save this change, it will appear in my entry, right? So this way our fifth specification is also satisfied. And this is the random page functionality specification. Now if I click here on random page link, every time I'll see a different page opening every single time I click on this page, right? I click on this link. So this way our sixth functionality is also satisfied. Now let me visit firstly home and then about me page, and let me show you the Markdown syntax. So all this syntax that I'm writing here using hashes and all these symbols is the Markdown syntax. I have used the Python Markdown 2 library to make use of this. So that's all about my project. Thank you all for watching my video, and thank you CS50.